Heyo, it's your host with the most, Plasma Sun. How's it going, guys? It is the weekend, it's beautiful outside, and I got another video for you, explaining where I got my name from, Plasma Sun. Now this story goes way far back to when I was younger, and I got it from my dad. So it started way back then on Halo, when Halo 1, 2, and 3 came out. My dad would play a lot of Halo, and one of his things he loved doing is hopping around the map, throwing plasma grenades at people. And so he took his name and adapted it to that, Plasma Bunny. That was his name. And then later on down the line, he got me into playing video games and got my own account. And of course, I wanted to take after my dad, so I changed my name to Plasma Sun. So you had Plasma Bunny, and then you had Plasma Sun. And it was awesome, because we would play Call of Duty, we would play Halo, and we would play our favorite game together, Space Marine. It was great. And here's a clip. I think the best part about the whole thing is people would ask us. They would ask, hey, is that your son? Are you related? Are you guys related at all? And yeah, we would tell people, yeah, Plasma Bunny and Plasma Sun. They're dad and son. It's freaking awesome. So originally, my name was actually Plasma Sun 16. Now the 16 came from the age that I made it. So I'm currently 23, and I made it when I was 16. So that was like 9 years ago, a long time. I remember, I made it on my dad's account, on my dad's Xbox, and using his credit card. He wasn't too happy about it, but I remember making it right then and then, and I loved it. And that was my main account for years, through Call of Duty. Through all the Call of Duties, through Ghost, through Modern Warfare, through so on, Black Ops 1, 2, 3, that was my main account, Plasma Sun. There's actually a video out from a famous person on YouTube who made a prank for one of my friends, and I was in one of his videos, and I'll play the clip really quick.
I have an offer for you, Alex.
What kind of an offer? Oh my god!
The devil offers you anything of your earthly desires. Anything you want, and the devil will graciously oblige. But you must promise him your soul when you pass.
No, thank
Take
you.
the deal. That's a good deal.
No, take the deal, dude. This is a good deal.
Yeah, so that was me in his video, and it's freaking awesome. And that was just one of my experience with my account as Plasma Sun. That I was a part of that. It was really dope. It's so weird because when he made that video, he posted it like 2 or 3 years later after he made it. So it's kind of weird. But it's still cool to look back at and realize that I was in that. And I'm actually thinking about making a video about that video that he made as a review, because just telling my experience and all that stuff, because it was actually really cool. And I remember it pretty well, actually. But you know, Plasma Sun, I like the name a lot. And when I originally made this YouTube channel, the colors were actually purple and blue to represent plasma in your blood. But over time, I didn't really like it, so I changed it to yellow and white with a hint of black. And plasma, when I think of plasma, I think about Dragon Ball Z, one of my favorite animes. And how they had like Kai to go Super Saiyan. But for humans, I feel like plasma would be our Kai to go Super Saiyans. And so that's why my logo is a dude going Super Saiyan, because for me, it works. I think it's really cool, and I really like it. And Sun, of course, is like I said earlier, to represent and owe tribute to my dad, because I'm his son, and he's the one that got me into gaming. Especially when I was younger with Halo, and then we moved on to Gears of War, and then we moved on to Call of Duty, and so on and so on, so yeah. But overall, I've had people call me Plasma Mason. I've had people call me, you know, other names and all that stuff, but Plasma Sun, it's always who I've been. It's always who I will be, and it's who I will always continue to be, because I like the name a lot. Not only that, but it's also an easy name to read, Plasma Sun. I mean, like, it can't get any harder. A lot of people most of the time just call me Plasma, because Plasma is a lot easier to say than the whole word. But yeah, guys, that was my story on how I got the name Plasma Sun. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. And I appreciate any feedback or comments you have down below. Please let me know your story of how you got your name, because I'm curious. Once again, guys, thank you so much, and see you later.